Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to fix the error "This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified." Let's start. First, you'll receive a notification like this on your screen that your desired app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. To solve this problem, open the Safari app. Here search Download the Panda Helper. Tap on iOS Download. Then select VIP version. Hit the install button right next to it. Now tap on Download. After that, tap on Done to proceed further. Then allow the website to download configuration profiles. After that, tap on Close. Now go to the settings on your iPhone. Tap on Profile Downloaded. You need to install this profile, so tap on Install from your top right corner. Again, tap on Install to go ahead. Once the Panda Help is installed in your device, it will help you resolve the issue you are facing while installing your desired app. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.